Hello friends, welcome to our video. In this video, we will talk about Dentsu Aegis Network. So, Dentsu Aegis Network is the first global marketing services group built for the digital economy. It is designed around the customers and fueled by its ambition to drive sustainable business growth for its brand and businesses. It has total 400 clients, it has total 17 markets and 15,000 passionate working people. It covered 48% of its revenue is driven by digital activity, and it provides growth solutions and expert services that open up new business opportunities across the entire customer journey. And their global network delivers solutions for every stage of the customer life cycles are engage, activate, convert, transact, retain. Engage in the sense it crafts powerful strategic ideas that ground brands in platforms, creating impact and sustained connection. Activate. It architects rich media ecosystem that enhance context and content to deliver addressable connections at scale. Convert. It builds and optimizes marketing performance engines that drive measurable customer action and conversion. Transact. It designs frictionless commerce across mobile, social, and retail that raises transaction volume and value. Retain. It develops data-driven strategies for personalized experiences that maximize customer advocacy and value. So now let's talk about its services and capabilities. Talking about strategy, Dentsu is a long-term plan for the development of a successful brand in order to achieve specific goals. Digital transformation. It is the process of using digital technologies to create new or modify existing business processes, culture and customer experiences to meet changing business and market requirements. People data science. Read or writing about people analytics in toward data science, sharing concept, ideas and codes. Consumer insights. It is a nugget of knowledge about a consumer that when leveraged can help brands beneficially change the behavior of their customers. User journey. It is a series of steps, typically 4 to 12 rank, which represent a scenario in which a user might interact with the thing you are designing. Creative. So, in brand identity, Dentsu is known for its uniqueness such as color, design, and creating logo that identify and distinguish the brand in consumers. Creative platforms. It is a set of ideas for marketing campaign. So Dentsu is active in creativity such as activity in creative marketing campaign. Interface design. It refers to graphical user interface. User will find easy to use. Social engagement. So Dentsu is emerging in an online community. Mixed reality. Media is an art of communication. Through media, Dentsu can share information to large number of people in no time. So now let's talk about content. Content strategy. So Dentsu is focusing on planning, creation, delivery and governance of content to its customer through different type of advertisement. Content production. So it is a system for creation of information for a defined audience. As such, its content strategy should always lead its content production system. Now let's talk about omni-channel distribution. So Dentsu is following omni-channel distribution. So omni-channel distribution is a system that enables customer to complete a purchase and receive order from any channel they choose. Real-time optimization. So Dentsu is following real-time optimization. It is a category of closed-loop process control that aims process performance in real time for systems. In media section, SEM and SEO. SEM stands for Search Engine Marketing and SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So SEM is considered internet marketing that increases a site's visibility through organic search engine and advertising. SEO is increasing the amount of website visitors by getting the site to appear high on result written by search engine. Programmatic display. It is the automation of the buying and selling of desktop, display, video, FBX and mobile advertises using real-time bidding. Paid social. They click, engage and share without you having to pay for a click. To get more followers, your social advertises should focus on delivering amazing content to your target audience. Media analytics. We pull together all media touchpoints of consumer media experience related to all platforms and then go behind the curtains to understand why they made certain purchase decision and response to content. In technological section, responsive websites. It responds based on the device used to view the site. Bespoke apps. It is a piece of software which is written specifically for your business to perform a particular function or set of functions. Microsoft blogs, mobile, IoT or wearables. Internet of Things. It is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects or people that are provided with unique identities and ability to transfer data over network without human to human or human to computer interference. In commerce section, platform implementation. So it includes project management, consultation, software installation, technical service and on-site training. Omni-channel experience. So it is also spelled as omni-channel. It is a multi-channel approach to sales that seeks to provide customer with a seamless shopping experience, whether they are shopping online from a desktop or mobile device, by telephone or in brick and mortar store. Product info management. A product info management solution provides a single place to collect, manage and enrich your product information, create a product catalog and distribute it to your sales and e-commerce channel. CMS integration. So it is a content management system such as WordPress and Drupal function to present information on websites and allow for publishing, editing and modifying content from a centralized interface. Partner strategy. So in other locations, they leverage channel partners to supply leads while their own sales and account engineers conduct demos and close the deals. The key challenge in this strategy is to keep your channel partner reputations engaged with your solution and end up to date with any new information about your product or service. So, there are 12 networks working under the roof of Dentsu. Some of them are Carrot, Dentsu X, iProspect, Merkel, Amplify, M1 and etc. Clients of the Dentsu Aegis Limited. As shown earlier, that Dentsu has 400 clients, among them Coca-Cola, General Motors, P&G, Knorr, Honda, BBC, Chevrolet are the well-known clients on which Dentsu has done excellent campaign and its advertisement. So there are various projects done by Dentsu. So Isobar has created a virtual showroom for Chevrolet, while Dentsu Aegis Network has done digital transformation for KFC China. So Uniqlo was the best project done by Isobar. With over 600 different t-shirt designs available at Uniqlo, so Uniqlo shoppers were feeling the effect of choice paralysis. Isobar saw an opportunity to make their lives easier by helping them decide which t-shirt best reflected their unique personality. Isobar's strategy was to showcase Uniqlo's huge t-shirt range while creating a fun personalized experience for the customer. It designs a neurological shopping experience that helps people decide what to buy. So Dentsu has won many awards in Campaign Agency of the year 2019, which was held recently on 3rd of December in Mumbai.